Hello guys, how are you doing? Add idioms to your speech and writing as you add vocabularies. Idioms will add color to your language. Master idioms and your speech will be less awkward and less foreign. And you will also understand more of what you hear and what you read. As you know guys, idioms are a group of words that have specific spatial meanings that might be a little bit difficult for some people to understand, remember, and use. The methods we have used in this course will help you with pronunciation. You will learn to remember them, to use them in real situations. You will learn all of these great idioms in 4 great stages. You will definitely learn these idioms in conversations, in movies, clips, stories, and more. You will also see how these idioms are pronounced by Native American people. This course will teach you over 300 great common American idioms. So good luck adding idioms to your everyday speech. It's fun and you will enjoy speaking English just like an American person.